How to fix error 8572 on Amazon. So this is a really common issue encountered by sellers when they try to list their product. So first of all, you have to check out their invalid product ID. So the product ID entered does not match the product you are attempting to list. Now, what is a product ID? So basically, Amazon keep this in check every time whenever you try to list a product to to just control this fraudulent product listing. Or if you are a reseller, then you just need a proper proof before listing any of the company, whether it's a books or whether it's any kind of clothes, right? Or any item. So if the product ID is already in use, the UPC or EN number is already associated with another product on Amazon, which is, as you can see here, this number, right? So you cannot use this number for your product because this is only for this product, right? And if you're trying to list the same product here, Amazon will not allow you. So you have to check now. If you have unauthorized brand association, the product ID may be linked to a brand that you're not authorized to sell here, which I have explained the same thing, right? Now here, this is very important. So make sure you have gathered the every documentation which you need. For example, GS1 product authentication certificate. This proof that you own that the UPSC code here. Then the letter of authorization. If you are selling on behalf of some brand or in some area, then submit documentation to Amazon. Navigate to the inventory and click on manage inventory. Click on that product button and enter your product ID. Select the fixed product ID. And by the way, if you're facing this issue again and again, then you have to talk to Amazon seller, you know, customer support. They will just help you every step by step depending upon your what's the exact issue you are facing, right? Because uh, when I was selling products on the Amazon, there were some issues where only customer support can fix from their dashboard. So if you're facing some of them, then it's completely up to you that you have to go and talk to them. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.